Hello. I've mentioned before that I would much rather ride than edit, which is why I'm over a year behind on videos. Even today I fired up my laptop to edit and ended up riding instead. I'll never be in itchy boots for many reasons. The obvious one is I'm not pretty. Another is I'm not consistent at putting out videos. Also, I don't have exciting drone shots. The fanciest I get is setting my GoPro on a railing while I ride away. So it'll be a long time, if ever, before I see any YouTube income. This week I compared different donation platforms and found Buy Me a Coffee to be the most user-friendly for supporters. So, if you are so moved, below is a link for Buy Me and my Royal Enfield a gallon of gas, and a link for you if you would like to use Buy Me a Coffee to start your own income. Thank you for watching and sharing my channel with your friends. I greatly appreciate all of you. Sincerely.